So let me show you how to use the audio eraser tool on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now this is very simple. You can use it to eliminate noise or certain audio from your videos. So I have a video clip here, for instance. So to update the firmware of a Xiaomi Scooter 6. Now let me find a better video with some noise. So I'm gonna pick this one, for instance. So there's a lot of noise in this clip. As you can hear, there are cars passing and all that. So what you need to do is simply tap on the AI icon, the Galaxy AI icon, and then you should see audio eraser. It's going to analyze all the audio in the video clip, and then it's going to give you options. So you can erase voices. So if you want to get rid of voices, you can select voices and reduce the volume for voices off. Now, if you want to retain the voices and reduce noise, then select noise and then reduce the noise to the level you want. Okay. And then every time you edit, you can play it back just to hear what that sounds like. And you can tap on Hear Original to sort of just compare what it sounds like after the edit. And then once you like the edit, you can go ahead and tap on Save Edit. And that video clip is going to be saved with the changes you've made to the audio of the video clip. Thanks for watching. Good luck.